What is good, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome. For today, we are actually back at it again with a weekly vlog. And this week is an exciting one because it's Libra season. Big Libra, not the little one, not the little one. We're gonna be celebrating moi because my birthday is on Tuesday of next week. And just so y'all know, today is Thursday and we're gonna start my birthday celebrations a little early because I'm gonna be going on a trip shortly after, and there are some friends that can't make it to the event that I'm having the day of my birthday. But let's do a quick rundown of what y'all finna get in this vlog because it's a long list. So today's Thursday. I'm about to go take my driver's test. Yes, I know. I'm literally about to be 28, but I'm from New York, so I get a pass for not having my license at my big old age. I really wanted to get my license before my birthday, but I didn't think it would be this close. Next on the list, we're going to a diner tonight with my friends to celebrate my birthday a little bit earlier. And then tomorrow we got facials. Saturday we're getting braids, birthday. And then Tuesday's my birthday. Wednesday we got more appointments. Thursday we got more appointments. So come along and let's get right into the video. I just took my driver's test and I won't even know until 6 p.m. if I pass. But I'm gonna say this, y'all. I feel like I did okay. Had a little, just 1.5 slip-ups. I say the half because it was more like he wished I did more of something, and then the other one, he wished I did less of something. But I'm freaking out. I won't know till 6 p.m. I really just...
Was the person?
Huh?
Was the person like?
He was very nice, like genuinely very nice. The test went very fast, but oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
A few moments later.
Y'all, so it is officially after 6 p.m. I'm so sorry for the lighting. My office lighting is really bad, and then I got shelves over here, but that's not why we're here. I've had.
Now she gonna take
me, drive me around.
How do you, baby?
I gotta call my dad. He's not gonna believe this. As y'all have seen, your girl got her license. Whew, honestly, I'm just so relieved to have that be done, over and done with. I can rest now. We're actually about to go get some chicken wings. But remember when I was like, oh, I'm gonna celebrate my birthday? Why did our homies end up sick as hell? And we not finna be around sick people because we got a flight to catch. So we're just gonna go get some chicken wings. But I am still gonna give y'all some content. Last week, I actually ended up going to a football game for the first time ever. And it was in the suite, courtesy of my job. Hello. Corporate baddie. So I'm actually gonna put here a little recap of that, and then I'll be seeing y'all when I'm getting my facial tomorrow. Ta-ta.
I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night.
Y'all, literally, only reason why we're not here on time is because we work a damn 9 to 5.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town. And I won't let cool in the sky, calling the sky, ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since we're here, it isn't an option. Due to unusual rain and thunder, baby, I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plan, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya.
What is good here? Oh, this is such a bumper ride. I know I'm still a passenger princess despite the fact that I got my license yesterday. Yeah, I'm still excited. We ended up celebrating with some chicken wings like I mentioned, and it was just such a cute moment. I'm just so proud of myself. This has been on my vision board since 2019. Like, if you actually watch my vision board video from back then, and it's only 20, but you know what? It doesn't matter. As long as you're still working towards your goals and you end up accomplishing them, that's all that matters, as long as you never give up on them. Like I said yesterday, today I am getting facials. I already washed my hair. That's why I got my 2 little buns, because tomorrow's my braid appointment. So after my facial, I'm just gonna blow out my hair since my appointment's really early and I kind of want to catch a couple of Z's. So now to go see my beautiful lady, Miss Liling, and get this dermaplaning facial so that the skin can be glowing for my birthday.
I said 5 in the morning, I wake up to 5 for my yearning. Fear in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day. I tried to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. I tried to get by, but I'm burning. I'm behind, my mind it runs. All these thoughts are troubling. Fighting to give up my pain. Fighting to be on my lane. My mind running to the other side. When it's time to leave my life, then it tries to take me out. Tell you what I need, right? Yeah, I really need time now. I need a friend right now. I really need my love. I need to free my mind now.
After all the magic is done, look at the skin. Hold on, let me show y'all the gunk. This is my hair from my face. You can even see it. Them hoes is curly. Look at the little choop. And then this is the ew. Done by moi. Not moi, but moi. Purr. Good morning, y'all. Good morning. Do y'all see this little glow? Liling gets me right every stinking time. I am afraid though, because I feel like my skin is gonna purge a little bit, but that's why I wanted to do it a week before my trip, just so whatever she gotta do it quickly. Do it quickly. ASAP. But now I'm on my way to get my braids. They look a little rough, but you know, she dried, braided up, and you know, I'm about to be a bad bitch by like 6 p.m. today. I don't know if I'll be able to record during my braiding appointment. If I can, I definitely will. If not, y'all finna see me looking like a baddie after this. But I hate that it's raining today, y'all. Like, yay fall, but ooh, y'all could have kept the rain for real, for real.
You can't even sit in peace, 'cause all of these niggas be on you. I'm just saying like me, yeah, one that you call and you talk to, girl. I'll share my world with you. If you gonna waste your time, to waste your time with me. I mean, honestly.
And just like that, we were ready. Hair done, facial done. Next up is what? I still gotta go get a wax, and I still gotta do my nails and my toes and my brows. I could just feel myself like elevating like my bad bitchetry with every single appointment. Guess what day is today?
Your birthday.
Babe, you had to let them guys. Guess what day is today? Yeah. That if you said my birthday, you are correct. I feel like your enthusiasm is not.
It's not too hard.
No.
Well, you want me to go crazy?
No. But but right now, we are currently on our way to my birthday dinner. It's not really a dinner, like it's a dinner, but it's not too much of a dinner. It's a pasta making class, so we're gonna vibe out, listen to some tunes, and I'll see y'all soon.
What's the difference?
See those noodles, Drow. Oh, drunk. Show us the noodles. Look at the noodles. You see it? Let me see, girl. I know that's right. Give us the noodles. Show us the noodles.
Rotation from behind. Very nice. Halfway through, give a pull. Give a nice pull out. And you have
I gave it all I could, stuck in a separate dome. All I see is terrible.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Soribel. Happy birthday to you. Are you 24? Are you 26? 27? 28?
What is good, y'all? As y'all can tell by my little birthday moment, I kind of give it to y'all a little bit vlog diary style, more b-roll, because we were truly in the moment. Like, to sit down and chit chat, it was just not gonna happen. But thank you to everybody that did wish me a happy birthday. I love you guys from the bottom of my heart. I'm honestly so grateful for everybody that's in my life today, everybody that I have. I feel like my chosen family, on top of my actual literal family, eats down. Like, my family eats down, chosen fam eats down, and you guys eat the freak down. So earlier today, I actually got my sugaring done with my beautiful babe, Miss Albaaesthetics, Miss Liling. As y'all may have seen, like, earlier in this vlog, I did get a facial last week, but I saved my sugaring for like a little bit closer to the trip. So there's that. My boo bear got a cute little haircut. Earlier when I got back home, while he was getting all cute and stuff, I was just like, go, go, go. I feel like I kind of struggle to like share like me, like, oh, packing this. I feel like it just adds more time to the actual act. But on top of like packing, I also filmed an unboxing for my DJI. Let me just show y'all. Here, babe, is a fit. We got a DJI camera. We got a vlogging camera. This will be the final vlog on my phone, y'all, for now, because I'm probably gonna pick it back up. I love vlogging on my phone, but I'm so excited. I feel like this is the perfect gift to me. Hey. The perfect gift. I honestly couldn't have asked for anything more right now, but I say all this to say, it was just giving y'all a little update, a little tea, a little what's going on. Now to do the toes, the nails, and then we have to go pack later. I also have like other things to film for like TikTok and Instagram, so make sure y'all are following me on there, because I'm sharing the goodies with the girls up there. They're getting it first. So catch up, get into it, and now let's go get these toes done.
If the shit was a competition, I'd win. Forever your favorite. But I'm wrong, not ever trying to play the role as a matter tight chick. So the moment they start slipping this clip, but again, now you remind me
stressed out. But the nails are done. Nails are done. They're super cute. We're actually now in the supermarket trying to get some snacks because we have a flight to catch, and sometimes things in the airport be very pricey. But damn, why they blasting whatever this is in there? Sheesh. Let's get some snacks, y'all.
All of a sudden you want the way you were. Stop acting like it's cool, like you used to be back in the days. You was always like for me. She's feeling the role that I'm supposed to play. Some feelings never go away. I'm not a fool, like I used to be back in the days. No longer have access to me.
Healthy feel good.
If I really wanna know, I still could get you. But life's been better with you out the picture. Getting me out of my.
A few moments later.
And just like that, we're about to head to Aruba. Y'all, I'm not gonna hold y'all. The reason why I didn't give y'all any packing shenanigans was because I was too tired and I just had to pack and nap. So now we're on our way to Aruba. I'll be seeing y'all in the next vlog. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.
Never again.